How to export messages from Messenger. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can export messages from Messenger. First of all, launch open the Messenger app on your device. Now you want to tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now find the option of Meta Account Center. Go ahead and select that. Now find the option Your Information and Permissions. Then select Export Your Information. Now select Create Export. Now you can select Export a device or external service, select whichever you want. Then select Customize Information. Here you want to make sure that you select the option of Messages. Go ahead and select that, then tap on Save. Now you can select the date range, format, media quality, then select Start Export. Now enter your password. Then tap on the Continue option. Then select Create Files. Wait for an email with your downloaded information. There you will have your Messenger messages exported. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.